Kung tunay na magaling ka, bakit hindi ka kumita ng mas malaki? Kung tunay na pang milyon na yung nalalaman mo, bakit wala kang milyon? Kung tunay na 6 digits na yung kakayahan mo at yung skill sets mo, bakit wala kang 6 digits ngayon? Masakit man pakinggan, pero kung ano yung realidad mo ngayon, yun ay representation or mirror of who you are and what you perceive of yourself today. Yun ay representation or mirror of your knowledge, your skills, your experience, your exposure, and your level of contribution to humanity. And when I talk about contribution, yan yung ambag mo sa marketplace. Ulitin ko, whatever result that you have today as far as your reality is concerned is a representation or a mirror of your knowledge, of your skill set, of your experience, of your exposure, and of your contribution or yung ambag mo sa market today. Bakit ko siya kailangan sabihin? Kailangan magkaroon ng pagbabago. Sino dito gusto kumita ng 6 figures on a monthly basis? Kailangan magkaroon ng pagbabago. Sino dito gusto mo is 7 figures on a monthly basis? Minimum 1 million a month. Kailangan magkaroon ng pagbabago. Kasi walang magbabago kung hindi ka magbabago. Ang tawag natin dyan, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call transformation. Ngayon, when I talk about transformation, ang definition ko ng transformation talaga, ladies and gentlemen, is what I call change. Kasi kung gusto mo talagang umasenso sa buhay, kailangan meron kang pagbabago. Life may sometimes be harsh, but it's most of the time fair. Kung ano yung resulta mo ngayon, happy ka man o hindi sa kung anumang resulta mo ngayon, yan ay equal, fair, or representation of your life today.